Hi everybody, I'm at my trailer and we're doing a kitchen reno, and my stove needs a really deep clean. It's got quite a bit of grease buildup here, and I tried to take it off with a kitchen cleaner and it didn't work. I should know better. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a paper towel and I'm going to put a couple drops of lemon oil on it, and then I'm just going to rub it. And it comes right off. So you can use this. This is a great tip for stove hood. You know, the filters that get really built up grease. I can feel the grease coming off. There we go. And then I'll just apply a couple more drops to the other side and go at it again. Got it back here. This is quite greasy as well. You can see the grease there, right? Gone. It works so good, you guys, on built up grease. So if you've got some tough built up grease you gotta get rid of, forget the elbow grease. Get out your lemon oil and a paper towel.